Good evening, everyone. Tonight, let's take a quick dive into the world of math. You've probably heard about numbers, equations, and shapes. But have you ever wondered, where does math actually come from? Is it something we create, or is it something we uncover from the universe? From the Pythagorean theorem to complex calculus, math helps us understand everything from the simplest measurements to the mysteries of the universe. For example, when you calculate the area of a rectangle, just multiply the length by the width and you're using basic math that describes space and shape. But math doesn't stop there. It evolves, helps us solve problems, and make sense of patterns, whether in nature, technology, or even in our daily lives. So, is math something we invented just to make sense of the world, or was it always there, just waiting to be discovered? That's the question for today. What do you think?
This question has sparked debate for centuries. Some says math exists independently, waiting to be uncovered like a treasure we simply find. Others argue that math is a tool we invented to understand our surroundings, a product of human creativity that evolves with our needs. Tonight, we are diving deep into this intriguing question.
So let's hear from our debaters who will take us through both sides of this fascinating discussion. Over to you, Kyle.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's special feature on a fascinating philosophical and scientific debate. Is mathematics discovered or invented? Stay tuned as we dive into this age-old question where two teams will present their compelling arguments. Over to our hosts, MJ and Chris.
Thank you, Kyle. Tonight's debate is sure to get you thinking. Mathematics, is it a universal truth waiting to be uncovered? Or is it a creative system we have come up with to understand the world? We'll find out soon enough.
That's right, this question has fascinated philosophers, scientists, and mathematicians for centuries. So let's get started by introducing the rules. Each team will have opening remarks, followed by a chance for rebuttals, and then a pre-discussion. Let's hear from the two teams who are here tonight.
Representing the discovery side, we have Team A, and on the invention side, Team B. Let's hear their opening remarks.
Good evening, mathematics. To us, it's a discovery. It's not something we made up, rather, it's a reflection of the world we live in. Take the Fibonacci sequence, for example. It shows up in a nature like in the petals of flowers, the branches of trees, and even in the spirals of seashells. These patterns existed before we even named them. The laws of math, like gravity or geometry, are universal truths that are independent of human beings. They are there and we just find them. Think about how ancient cultures like the Egyptians or Greeks understood geometry without our modern tools. They discovered math, not invented it.
Thank you. While Team A believes that mathematics is simply we undercover, we argue that it is in fact something humans created. Think about numbers. What are they? A human-made concept to quantify things. The symbols, the operations, even the structure of mathematics systems, if these were all invented by us, for us example, non-Euclidean geometry was invented because it didn't fit with the old rules. It shows how flexible and creative math can be. It evolves with our needs, like when we created calculus to understand motion and change. If math were truly discovered, why would we keep creating new systems?
Well, thank you. Let's dive a bit deeper. The fact that mathematical principles apply universally across cultures tells us that math is not something made up. It's a discovery. The Pythagorean theorem, for example, was known to ancient civilizations like Babylonians long before Pythagoras. This suggests that math is something we uncover, not invent. Also, natural patterns like the way fractals work exist all around us. They're in the way trees branch, the way clouds form, even the galaxies spin, the way that galaxies spin. These patterns didn't come from us. They're simply part of the fabric of the universe.
Well, I see what you're trying to say, but I think you're missing a key point. We invented the language of math without humans creating it. Those patterns would have no name, no understanding. You're right. The fractals exist, but how did we come to understand them? By creating a system of math to describe them. Mathematics is a tool that we invented to make sense of the world, but it didn't exist in a meaningful way until we decided to define it. And let's not forget math has evolved from Euclidean geometry to non-Euclidean geometry. We expanded the system of math based on our observation. If it were discovered, there would be no room for that kind of innovation.
Now let's move on the rebuttal stage. Teams, this is your chance to respond to each other's argument. Team A, how do you respond to Team B claims that mathematics is invented to describe the world?
Well, yes, we created symbols and notations to represent mathematical concepts, but that's just the language we use. The concepts themselves, like prime numbers or the constant pi, are universal. They exist regardless of our understanding. You mentioned Euclidean geometry, but all that proves is that math is adaptable. It's a reflection of what's already there, not something we invented.
We heard you, but just because something exists in nature doesn't mean it was divorced. For instance, before humans invented the system of numbers, there's no way to quantify things like how much food you had or how much space was needed for a building. Without our invention of the number systems, none of this would be possible. It's the invention of the concept that allows us to apply it universally.
Let's take a deeper dive. Here's a question for both teams. If math is discovered, why do we continually create new systems like non-Euclidean geometry? And if it's invented, how do we explain its application in nature?
Well, actually, the reason we create new systems is that our understanding of the universe deepens. As we learn more, we uncover more truths that were always there, like discovering new dimensions in geometry. We're not inventing these systems. We're discovering new ways to apply the laws that were already there.
We create new systems because our needs change. Non-Euclidean geometry was invented to solve problems in space-time, which didn't make sense under the old rules. The fact that we adapt mathematics based on our needs shows that it's a human invention, not a discovery.
We are nearing the end. Let's hear the final thoughts from both teams. Team A, your closing statement is.
Well, to wrap up, mathematics is not just something we created. It's an inherent part of the world. The patterns we see are not inventions, but discoveries. They exist independently of us, and we merely uncover them. From the Fibonacci sequence to the laws of physics, math is timeless and universal.
And Team B, your closing statement.
Mathematics is a system we invented to describe and understand the world. Just because it applies universally doesn't mean it was discovered. We've continuously invented new branches of math to explain things that didn't fit into previous models. It's not statistics truth, but it's a human creation that evolves with our needs.
What an engaging debate. Both teams made compelling points about whether math is discovered or invented. It's clear that this conversation will continue for years to come.
Thank you to our debaters and to our viewers for joining us tonight. Whether you're team discovery or team invention, remember, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning.